one, not two, but three hearts. An oddity that's just as fascinating as it is strange. Ever thought of deserts as icy? Antarctica, with its incredibly low precipitation, is technically the largest desert on Earth. Tree rings are more than just nature's artwork, they're also time capsules, helping scientists date historical events. Did you know the Eiffel Tower grows in the summer? Heat causes the metal to expand, adding up to 6 inches to its height. Wombats, those adorable marsupials, have a unique adaptation. They produce cube-shaped droppings that don't roll away. Chess, a game of strategy, boasts a staggering number of potential games. The number is so large, it's greater than the number of atoms in the universe. The oldest known recipe in the world